I'm Rola and I'm in Chiang Rai, a city located in northern Thailand. Chiang Rai is home to many tribes that reside nestled in the mountainous hills. Today, I'll be visiting some tribes, sharing their cooking techniques, eating their local food, and seeing how they build their incredible bamboo homes. This road is definitely smaller than the other one. We are now officially in the jungle. We were headed to the Lisu village. The name Lisu actually means come down people, and the Lisu people migrated to Thailand in the early 20th century.
For a long time they stay at the border between China and Myanmar. Why they moved to here? Because army from China and Myanmar fight together and they escaped the war and moved to here about 30 to 40 years ago. Some old people, they told me when they moved to here by walk only on mountain by walk about 8 to 10 hours.
Just drove up this road. It's very small. We are now in Lisu village and we have just arrived, so I'm very excited to see how they are living here. In this village here, they speak Lana language, so it's not the same language that they speak in Bangkok or in the south of Thailand. Lisu villages are usually built close to water to provide easy access for washing and drinking. Their homes are built on the ground and have dirt floors and bamboo walls. A lot of homes use teak wood to actually build their homes, but I can see that this man has used mostly just bamboo stick. But look at this view. It's incredible. This is wild honey from the forest, freshly picked and brought for me to try and served with organically grown black tea. Yeah.
You can see from the curve.
I know.
You can bring from this side the curve for your nose.
Oh wow, really?
Yes.
Did they make these also?
Yes.
I think from bamboo?
From the
From bamboo. I couldn't explain to you how fresh this is. The taste is completely different. We were back on the mountain road to visit yet another village home. What are you doing? This village is unique because some of the homestays are made out of bamboo sticks, while others are made out of wood. So Auntie has welcomed us to her home. They do everything with their hands, and it's just so much more meaningful when you do everything with your hand. You take care of it, and they do take care of it. It's super clean. Everything is very clean and polished. Imagine waking up to this view every day. I think you'll very much enjoy it. Incredible, really, how they build these houses all by themselves. This was such a unique home that this family built 40 years ago. It stands high and is made mostly using bamboo. There is a bathroom outside which has a squat-style toilet, and they don't use electricity in their homes. They have their own animals such as a pig and chicken. I saw the man, he was sitting here. I didn't want to disturb him, but he was sitting here and he was kind of bathing in the water. The water, I'll show you, it's up ahead, but yeah. Sorry. Here he's carrying. So I'm not sure why he put the bamboo raft over there, but this is absolutely incredible. Butterflies everywhere, amazing surrounding. Banana trees right behind me. imagine carrying 2 huge bamboo sticks. The way that they live their life using the resources that they have, so they do make their houses from stuff that they have around them, like bamboo trees, which is found right here behind me. Bamboo trees and just some wood from the trees. And I think it's incredible that they managed to build this very beautiful house in such an extraordinary location. Let's go and see what he did with the 2 bamboo sticks. One inch of bamboo can hold up to 7.5 tons of weight and are very heavy. Bamboo has a greater compressive strength than brick, concrete, and wood. Bamboo sticks are really heavy. Oh my gosh. Literally, I can't even hold it. It's incredible. But they're cooking up our meal right now. I want to go and see what's going on in the kitchen. Barbecue and boiling are Lisu's traditional way of cooking. Boiling with raw bamboo shoots is very common amongst the Lisu people. They cooked some greens and then fried chicken with the garlic. Our delicious plates were ready. In a Thai meal, various dishes are placed on the table for people to share, and communal eating is very common. We were seated on bamboo mats on the ground and ready to enjoy our traditionally cooked meal. Oh, that's very spicy. So good. Oh my god, wow. This is amazing. This one's delicious too. Much.
Thank you for it.
I love it so much. You know, very natural flavors, and not too much oil. So we just finished eating at the auntie's house, and it was so delicious. Now we're just taking a look around at the actual village. These are how their homes are. They're big boulders right in front of the home, and so they have ladders coming out of the house. When drying the clothes, they dry them outside.
Machine for take like from the if water is from waterfall.
So they take the water from the waterfall.
Yes.
And it pumps here in this machine.
Yes.
And it goes to the house.
Yes.
Is it expensive to buy cow here? Okay, buying a cow here is the same as buying a new motorbike. God, I love it so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is the fruit. Do you know the name of this fruit? It's a long name, huh? Oh, it's a long name. Oh. I think this is my favorite fruit now. It's so good. And the
Chinese village.
And we're going to go and see how the locals live here in the Chinese village. We are now currently walking on a bridge, which is a man-made bridge, taller than the first one that we saw. But here's a little small stream. Oh, they use cement. Yeah, okay, yeah.
24 family.
24 family.
Yes.
Oh, not too many.
I see the tea plantation.
The tea plantation.
That one oolong tea.
Oolong tea.
Yes.
The one that we just tried.
No, that one Assam tea.
Oh, Assam. Oh, yeah, Assam tea. They will collect from this tea plantation here. They'll collect from there, and then they will sell it to the main tea company in where? Thank you so much for watching my video. It was so much fun to make, and if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.